So, clear on the term Moor, clear on the United States of America was forced into a treaty, and I need to go into why you don't want to be calling yourself a Moor. You just saw it in this contract. Moor deals with Morocco. I mean, listen, how can this guy, this so-called Moor, come in here and he keeps talking about, well, you know, Moor deals with Morocco and, you know, the Sultan of Morocco and the Peace of Friendship Treaty and all this. Let's understand what Morocco is. This is very important that we are clear. So those of us who know law, we know that when something is declared on public record, that becomes a law when it's not refuted. When something gets declared on public record, it becomes a law when it's not refuted. Now, what is public record? Public record could be the county. It could be the state republic in what we know of as North America. Public record is a website, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. All of those are public records. And so when you make something public record, a business card, flyers, newspaper, those are public record. Library, public record. Okay, so what has been put on record concerning the term Morocco? I need y'all to understand that a word or a name is a contract. We've already understood that every letter is a word. Every word or every syllable is a compound word. And then you compound the syllables, you got a contract. The term Morocco is a contract. Then somebody has trademarked and copyrighted that logo, that flag y'all keep flying, that red flag with the little star in it, the green star, that's somebody's copyrighted and trademarked logo. And that copyrighted and trademarked logo has a set of laws established with it. And when you start flying those logos, then you're flying somebody else's flag. That means you put yourself under their jurisdiction. Pay attention. It's the same thing. Why do you think the cops feel like they can pull your car over when you flying a flag or a tag, or that tag, which is a flag, on the back of your car? It says state of Tennessee, state of Washington, state of. Anything state of is copyrighted and trademarked by Britain. Anything that says state of anything, county of anything, city of anything, police department of anything, it's copyrighted and trademarked by Britain. So when you got this tag or this flag on the back of your car that says state of anything, what you have said to the police, the popo, is that this vehicle is owned and under the jurisdiction of the state. I don't own it. The state owns it. So now when they pull you over and they want to search it and they want to go through it and they want to take you out the car and do all of this other stuff, you flying their flag. You said it's their property. You said it. God says the Moors are the ones that showed the Spaniards the trade routes. We're going to get into it. We're going to get into it. We're going to get into what the Moors did. We're going to break it down tonight. I don't want you Moors, you people who calling yourself Moors, I don't want you to be upset with me. I got to give you the facts. Now, listen, all of this stuff, the problem is we've gotten into this religious mindset. And when you're in a religious mindset, you cannot see, you cannot think. I'm not trying to force you into anything. I'm just giving you the information. If you don't like it, then go somewhere else. But the last thing you want to try to do is to threaten me or think you're going to come against me. Anything you try to do to me, you will set your own demise. I'm going to show you that tonight too. So stay tuned. You can't destroy me. In your attempts to destroy me, you will destroy yourself. I don't have to lift a finger. Not one. So pay attention. Pay attention. And if you can't get it from this, what I'm presenting to you tonight, then you're going to get what you get. And it's not going to be good. Trust me. You're already seeing it right now. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Stay tuned. Get popcorn. All right. So once again, when you're flying this flag on the back of your car, you have said that you're under its jurisdiction. These are copyrighted and trademarked logos. Copyright infringement, that comes with a $50,000 fine. $50,000. Either you're going to say you're under their jurisdiction and you're going to pay them some treaty or some booty, or they're going to confiscate you. Okay, so now we understand in the game. You find somebody's flag and you're calling somebody else's name, then what you've done is you've taken on the jurisdiction because you're using somebody's copyrighted and trademarked information. Okay, I'm going to flip this sprig and I want y'all to pay attention to what's going on. This is a public reference of what the term Morocco means. Now I'm getting this from Wikipedia. I'm not the biggest fan of Wikipedia, but for today, we're going to use this information and I want y'all to go and find out what you got. But it doesn't even matter because this is on public record. Nobody has refuted it. So let's read what this term Morocco, what does that mean? All right, what does the term Morocco mean? It says Morocco, officially the King of Morocco, is a country in the Maghreb region of North Africa. North Africa. It overlooks the Mediterranean Sea to the north and the Atlantic Ocean to the west and has land borders of Algeria to the east and the disputed territory of West Sahara to the south. Morocco also claims the Spanish exclaves of Ceuta, Melilla, and Peña de Vélez de Gomera, and several small Spanish-controlled islands. Okay, so, and several small Spanish-controlled islands off its coast. It has a population of roughly 37 million. The official predominant religion is Islam, and the official languages are Arabic and Berber. French and Moroccan dialect of Arabic are also widely spoken. Moroccan identity and culture is a mix of Arab, Berber, African, and European cultures. Its capital is Rabat, while its largest city is Casablanca. Now, are you all familiar with when you get a mortgage and in that mortgage, on that document, it has what's called a legal description of the land that is being claimed in that mortgage or that document? This right here, this paragraph I read, is a legal description of what Morocco or Kingdom of Morocco is. That's a legal description. It didn't say nothing about North America or this land over here or that continent. No, it just told you all of the territory that it's claiming. It just told you that. And so understand, this is a public record of what Kingdom of Morocco and Morocco claims to be. So when you are declaring that title, Morocco or Kingdom of Morocco or Moroccan Empire, this is what you're claiming right here. Let me go back to this because I want you to see something else. All right, watch this now. When you see these logos here, this is their flag. This is their coat of arms. This is copyrighted and trademarked material right here. If you're flying this, you are claiming to be under the rulership of these people. And so what you got to understand is that every time you open your mouth, you're making a contract. And if you are so bold as to be flying any of these logos and symbols, you are declared to be under the rulership of these people. Kingdom of Morocco. You need to know what their constitution says. If you're just going off a peace and friendship treaty, I need you to understand what's going on. Okay. Now, we've understood that.